kod mamoko mathoth e yor adimba arwakni machiegni yie mar mondo mi bed koda nyaka e giko mar weche manyien mag migago. Nyinga Joyce Oduora. Kawachako en ni bura mar nek mar japuonj Albert Ojwang dhi nyime e doho ma Kibra e odiochieng' mar adek kama apis jamin wach chwale joneno mamoko kendo medo nyiso pichni mag wang' dede malero gino manotimore ne Ojwang. Wawinjane achiel kachiel kaka chenro no dhi nyime e doho.
Prioritize good for all of us.
And then we have the vulnerable family members. Those are the ones that we are also going to have to bring. So we have protected and vulnerable.
Can we get those on 15?
Yes.
All of them. How many?
Like 4.
4. Civilians move very fast. They are not technical. Can we have 5 witnesses? If we sit at 9. Can you also share the names of the witnesses coming to enable them to prepare?
Yes.
So that you reduce your cross-examination. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a lovely day. Thank you.
See, because that's what I'm wondering.
It's still on cross.
You should have used them before.
It's